Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about how mail merge works. Before getting into the video, we need to know how mail merge is helpful for us. So, mail merge is an existing feature in MS Word which allows us to create multiple documents at once, such as letters. For example, if you want to send a letter to several people by changing the name, designation, address, giving their own details, we need to retype the letter several times, which consumes a lot of time. But by using this mail merge option, we can do such things very easily. So, in order to perform mail merge, first go to the mailings option, select start mail merge. Now click on step by step mail merge wizard. Here, as we are working on the letters, select letters and click on next. Here we are using the current document. So I have selected this option, use the current document. If you want to start from existing document, you can click on this option and you can open your document. But I'm using the current document, so I'll use this option. Click on next. So for the select recipients thing, you can also use an existing list or you can type a list here, type a new list. If you want to type a new list, create the list first by using these details. You can also customize the columns. You can add the columns you want or you can delete the columns you want. Delete it if you don't want it. And you can also rename. Click on OK. Click on OK. Here you can give the names. First name, the details entries here. Like this, you can add the number of entries you want. Now, after giving all the entries, you can click on OK. So you need to save it using certain option in your system. So you need to select it. But here I'm using an existing list which I have already prepared by me. So this is the list. These are the details I want to include. So I'm using this option to select an existing list. So using this option, I'm selecting the list I want. Documents. This is the Excel sheet I have created. So in here we have sheet 1 and sheet 2. In the sheet 1, I have the data I want. In this sheet 2 is empty. So I need only sheet 1. So select sheet 1 and click on OK. So here you can manipulate the details here. You can sort the details. Here we are sorting the details using our first name. Click on OK, or you can sort it in any order, ascending or descending order. Click on OK. After doing that, you can randomly select the names you want to send this letter. If you don't want to send the letter to Hannah, you can just select it, or else you can select all of them. Then click on OK. So after that, you need to insert the merge fields here using this option. First name, space. Like this, you should add the merge fields according to your wish and according to your necessity. Add the merge fields. But those details are different for different persons. So add the merge fields like this. Insert. Close. As I have inserted the mail merge fields I want, now I can preview now using this preview results. So I can see the details of different persons, but the letter is same, the content is same, but the names, their details, everything will be changing. So preview the results. John Ran, Jordan Chris here, Mary Anna here. Like this, it is different. Alexa can. Like we have 5 documents, 5 members. So it will create 5 documents. So after completing, either you can click on next here or else you can finish it here, finish and merge. So after completing everything, you need to click on this finish and merge. Now print documents. If you want to select all the documents, click on all, or else if you want to select the current document, click on current record. I want to select all the records here, so click on all and click on OK. Now click on OK. Now save the document. It may be something like MDB1. Save. The PDF will be done. So this is the PDF document of all the letters for different people. This is Alexa Kin here. This is Hannah Baker. This is John Zran. This is for Jordan Chris. This is Mary Annie. Like this, you can create several documents using only one thing here. So this is about mail merge. Hope everyone understand. Thank you.